Hey, KK. Is that some good food? Yeah? I see that look. Yeah? Oh, you're done. Get back to food? Okay. Don't mind the mess, guys. Hey, Golly. What are you doing now? Are you chilling and trying to take a nap? Huh? Yeah. Are you happy you have your friend for a few days? Yeah? Are you gonna tell YouTube how much you like flapping fishies? I know, you broke the other one, so I had to give you KK's, huh? Who is that, KK? Who is right there? Is that your friend KK? Where's KK? Chloe, where's KK? Where's KK? Don't give me that look. I was just asking you a question. You goof. Yes, guys, I'm at my friend's for a few days, so you just want to be a pain, don't you? What's that look for? KK? I can talk. Yes, I can talk. Excuse me, Chloe. Don't give me that dirty look. You got anything to say, KK? Huh? What do you want to tell YouTube? Yeah?